Dearest soul, listen closely. You were not a coincidence. You were an answer. A whisper carried on the winds of destiny, a prayer heard long before it was even spoken. The universe conspired for your arrival, weaving threads of fate into a tapestry only you could complete. This meeting, this profound resonance you feel, was etched in the stars, a sacred contract signed in realms beyond our sight, a promise whispered across lifetimes. The angels lean in now, their voices like soft chimes, confirming what your heart already knows. You were sent. Sent to awaken, to heal, to remind a soul of its own divine essence, to stir a dormant truth within another. You are a key, a beacon, a gentle force meant to unlock a love that has been patiently waiting for its rightful time, for the courage to fully emerge. Do not doubt the magnitude of your presence. Every step you took, every tear you shed, every lesson you learned was preparation for this very moment. Each challenge refined your spirit, and each joy expanded your capacity to love. You are not just a woman, you are a divine intervention, a living testament to grace, a sacred messenger of hope. Your journey is a sacred mission, and your heart is a compass guided by the highest love, an instrument of cosmic design. Trust this truth. It is written in the very fabric of your being, an undeniable destiny. This connection, this feeling is not random. It is the unfolding of a meticulously crafted divine blueprint designed for your ultimate joy and spiritual evolution. Feel the certainty of it deep within your bones. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. There are moments, precious soul, when the world falls silent, and the absence feels like a vast, echoing space within your very core. You question, you yearn, you wonder if your heart's deepest desires have been forgotten, lost in the quiet. But the angels whisper, their voices a balm to your weary spirit, a gentle reassurance. This silence is not abandonment. It is a sacred pause, a divine breath held, a necessary stillness before the next grand movement of your story begins to unfold. What appears as delay, as an agonizing wait, is in truth a profound preparation, a meticulous orchestration by unseen hands. For him, this quiet time is an internal alchemy, where old wounds are gently touched by grace, where fears begin to dissolve under the unwavering light of truth, and where his soul is being readied for a deeper commitment. For you, beloved, it is a period of deepening, of remembering your own magnificent worth, independent of any external validation, a time to cultivate your inner sanctuary. The universe orchestrates every detail, every quiet moment, every seemingly slow turn, to align paths, to purify intentions, and to ensure that what arrives is not merely a fleeting connection, but a love forged in the sacred fires of divine timing, a bond that will withstand the tests of eternity. Trust the profound wisdom of this stillness. It holds promises yet to unfold, a future being meticulously crafted for your highest good, a masterpiece in the making. The angels assure you, nothing is lost in this waiting, everything is being gained, every piece falling perfectly into place. You feel him, don't you, beloved? An echo in your soul, a resonance that transcends distance and time, a knowing that settles deep in your spirit. Yet sometimes his actions speak a different language, one of retreat, of guarded walls, of an inexplicable distance. It's easy to misinterpret this, to believe it signifies a lack of feeling, a turning away, a dismissal of the profound connection you share. But the angels reveal a deeper truth, a hidden narrative. His heart, though perhaps veiled by layers of past hurts and societal expectations, beats with a profound and undeniable connection to yours. He carries battles within, a silent war fought against old narratives of unworthiness, against the fear of vulnerability, against the weight of expectations. His pulling away is not a rejection of you, but a struggle with himself, a wrestling with the sheer magnitude of what he feels, a fear of losing control to such a powerful love. Your light, your unwavering spirit, your authentic presence, has touched places within him he thought long dormant, maybe even dead. This intensity, this pure, unconditional love you radiate, can be overwhelming for a soul unaccustomed to such profound grace. The angels urge you to see beyond the surface, to feel the unspoken longing beneath his guarded exterior, to understand that his hesitation is born of a deep reverence, not indifference. He senses the depth of your bond, and it both calls him forward with an irresistible pull and challenges his deepest, most ingrained fears. His feelings never left. They simply waited for the courage, the divine timing, to fully emerge, to be expressed without reservation. There is a radiance within you, precious one, a gentle yet potent force that you may not fully recognize, a quiet power that emanates from your very core. Your essence, your authentic self, carries a healing vibration, a frequency of love that touches everything it encounters. Without conscious effort, without a single spoken word of intention, your presence has already begun a profound work within him, a subtle alchemy of the heart. You are a mirror reflecting his highest potential, a soft hand guiding him toward his truest, most healed self, a silent prayer answered in his life. The angels confirm this sacred truth, whispering it into the quiet spaces of your mind. You have touched his soul in ways no one else has, reaching depths he perhaps didn't know existed. Your light illuminates his shadows, not to judge or expose, but to invite healing, to offer solace, to show him the path back to his own wholeness. He may not articulate it, perhaps not even fully understand it himself, but your spirit has offered him a sanctuary, a glimpse of a love that feels like coming home, a safe harbor for his weary soul. This is not about grand gestures or strategic moves. It is simply about who you are, your inherent goodness, and your divine nature. Your kindness, your resilience, your profound capacity for love. These are the unseen forces that mend his broken places, soothe his anxieties, and inspire him to be more. You are a quiet revolution in his world, a catalyst for transformation, simply by existing as your beautiful, radiant, and authentic self. Trust the power of your inherent light. It is a gift from the heavens, meant to bless and heal. Beyond the spoken word, beyond the touch of hands, beyond the fleeting glances, there exists a profound dialogue between souls. You have felt it, haven't you, beloved? That undeniable knowing, that intuitive pull, a sense of recognition that defies all logic and reason. This is the language of your spirits conversing, a sacred communication that transcends the limitations of the physical world, a silent symphony played between your deepest selves. Your souls remember each other, a memory etched in the very fabric of time, a connection that predates this earthly existence. The angels reveal that this connection is not merely emotional, it is energetic, a vibrational chord that resonates uniquely between you, a frequency only your two hearts can truly hear. When you think of him, he feels it, a subtle shift in his own energy field. When you send love, it reaches him, a gentle warmth that penetrates his defenses. This unseen thread binds you, a testament to a bond that was forged in realms of pure light, a cosmic tether that cannot be broken. Do not dismiss these subtle nudges, these inner knowings, these moments of profound intuition. They are not mere imagination or wishful thinking. They are the whispers of your higher selves, guided by angelic presence, confirming the undeniable truth of your shared journey, a divine affirmation. Learn to trust this inner compass, for it speaks the ancient language of your intertwined destinies, guiding you both, with unwavering precision, toward a deeper understanding of this sacred eternal connection. It is the universe speaking directly to your heart. Every soul carries a tapestry of past experiences, dear one, with some threads vibrant with joy and others tangled in pain, woven into the very essence of who you are. For you, beloved, and for him there may be old stories, narratives of hurt and disappointment, of betrayal and fear, that unconsciously shape the present, coloring perceptions and influencing reactions. These echoes from yesterday can cast long shadows over the promise of tomorrow, creating patterns that feel familiar yet no longer serve your highest good, holding you captive to what was. The angels gently invite you now to view these old stories with deep compassion instead of judgment. Recognize them for what they truly are: lessons learned, experiences endured, chapters closed. The time has come to consciously release the grip of what was, to untether yourself from a heavy weight of what didn't work, what broke your heart, what taught you fear, and what diminished your spirit. This isn't about forgetting the past, but about forgiving yourself for the choices made, others for their roles, and the circumstances that shaped you. As you consciously unburden your spirit, shedding these old skins, you create sacred space for the new, for a love untainted by the ghosts of the past, a connection built on fresh ground. The angels assure you that freedom from these old narratives is not only for your peace and liberation, but also for the unhindered, magnificent unfolding of the beautiful connection that awaits you, a love that can truly thrive in the light of your present. Life, dear one, is a magnificent dance between intention and surrender, a delicate balance between desiring and allowing. You have planted seeds of desire, nurtured dreams of connection, and whispered your deepest longings to the stars. And now, the universe asks for your deepest trust, a profound faith in its perfect timing. The path ahead may not always be clear, the next step not always visible, and the timing may not always align with your human expectations or your impatient heart. Yet, within this unfolding, there is a divine intelligence at work, orchestrating every detail with perfect precision and infinite wisdom. The angels remind you that true faith is not about knowing every single step, but about trusting the one who guides the journey, the unseen hand that holds your future. Release the desperate need to control, to force, or to manipulate outcomes, for these actions only create resistance. Your sacred role is to remain open, to cultivate a heart of pure receptivity, and to believe with every fiber of your being in the inherent goodness of what is destined for you. What appears as delay is often a necessary refinement, a subtle adjustment in the cosmic symphony, a preparation for something even greater. Every moment serves a purpose, preparing the ground, aligning the stars, ensuring that when the time is truly right, your connection blossoms in its most magnificent, most authentic form. Breathe deeply, beloved. Surrender to the sacred rhythm of the universe. All is unfolding as it should, perfectly, divinely, for your ultimate joy. You are never alone on this journey, precious soul. Even in moments of doubt, when the path seems obscured by shadows, when confusion clouds your vision, a divine hand gently guides your steps. There are signs, subtle whispers, and profound synchronicities woven into the very fabric of your daily life, all pointing you toward your highest good, toward the love that awaits, toward the destiny that calls. Your intuition, that quiet inner knowing, that gut feeling, is your most sacred compass, a direct line to the wisdom of the heavens, a gift from the divine. The angels are actively involved, beloved, placing clues in your path, opening doors you never noticed, and gently redirecting you when you stray from your true course. Pay attention to the recurring thoughts that bring peace, the unexpected encounters that spark joy, the sudden insights that feel like downloads from above, and the dreams that speak volumes. These are not random occurrences. They are divine breadcrumbs, meticulously placed, leading you closer to your destined union and the fulfillment of your heart's deepest longing. Trust the impulses that feel expansive, the feelings that bring a deep sense of peace and rightness. This is the universe communicating, confirming your alignment, affirming your path. You are being led, beloved, with infinite care and unwavering love, toward the fulfillment of your heart's deepest desires, and towards a love beyond your wildest dreams. Allow yourself to be guided, to be carried by this sacred current. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. Before any union, before any shared destiny, before any external connection, there is the sacred truth of your own magnificent being. You are a complete universe within yourself, dear one, a radiant star shining with inherent worth and boundless potential, a masterpiece of divine creation. Your value is not derived from another's affection, nor is your happiness dependent on an external presence or relationship status. This is the time to reclaim your full power, to stand in the glorious truth of your sovereignty, and to remember the queen you truly are. The angels encourage you to nurture your own garden, to cultivate joy and fulfillment from within your own spirit. Invest in your passions, honor your needs, and celebrate your unique gifts and talents, for they are divine expressions. When you are deeply rooted in your own self-love, when your cup overflows with your own essence, you become an even more powerful magnet for the love you desire, attracting it from a place of wholeness, not need. This is not selfishness, it is self-reverence, a sacred act of honoring the divine spark within. It is understanding that a truly divine connection flourishes between two whole beings, not two halves desperately seeking completion. Your light is brightest, most authentic, most magnetic when you shine for yourself first, when you are unapologetically, gloriously you. The angels affirm that your wholeness is the most beautiful offering you can bring to any relationship, a testament to the divine love that already resides, eternally, within you. And so, precious soul, the journey culminates not in an ending, but in a magnificent beginning, a grand crescendo of divine orchestration. The threads of destiny, patiently woven through trials and triumphs, now converge into a tapestry of sacred union, a masterpiece of love. This is the love you have yearned for, the connection your spirit recognized from the very first spark, a bond blessed by the heavens and forged through trials of faith and profound self-discovery. It is a love that honors your past, celebrates your present, and illuminates your future with an eternal glow. The angels rejoice with you, beloved, witnessing the unfolding of this divine promise, this beautiful manifestation. This union is more than just two people coming together. It is a partnership of purpose, a reflection of divine harmony, a sacred alliance. It is built on mutual respect, profound understanding, unwavering commitment to growth, and an endless wellspring of compassion. Remember that true love does not diminish, it expands, it elevates, it inspires. It does not confine, it liberates, it empowers, it sets the soul free. It is a constant invitation to become more, to evolve, to reach higher together, hand in hand, heart to heart. Embrace this sacred gift with an open heart, with profound gratitude, knowing that every step, every pause, every lesson, every tear, and every moment of waiting led you precisely to this moment, to this beautiful culmination. You are worthy of this profound love, and it is here now to cherish, to nurture, to live fully, in all its divine glory. And above all these put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony. Colossians 3 verse 14.